jing trekam kalong ka ba bnya ba na so wan ong ba ni don bok bakadon ka sakawai ka nongrim balong bak ni don bok bakadon ka seng riulum ka babi nang ni ke NPP ka bala kalalong ru ka National Party ngimna ong sumo menchua ka bo u nongelam u long seng ni seng u le pi sangma ni kum kejala Meghalaya so sorong bagila yo ban pemik yo Lok Sabha speaker ber lalong union minister ber to mono matep yo la shai ki mi ru kadon kala kalti bakala kalalong ka National Party ka don ru kalti le se ban pois ka kadon prime minister nimtip ni kum gure ni sumudur ki bro ande kala ja mono ban mudur bana jala Meghalaya don uban mi kum formal Lok Sabha speaker tikini kilong ki bang sobat ong ba gidon kiliti gidon kisinjam ki ba ni kum ki brio ngimla patip kadai ka jing sandur ko na jrong dai ga soba hagani ko por ka rai jonga kalong ba nga shim halor ki jing trekam jonga NPP party ki long ki ber shaikda langa phai ha ko we ka kam ka banga juya don ta ka de sports we i ga de sarkar ha ka jingelam jo sri konrad ke sangma wa president song wa sioba lang dar ki jongma da sket ki jongma pniat berkhoi ki bala penmi yaka sports policy kabala sateng la palat arposnem almost 20 years the sports policy was in draft stage the la pelong la pas yaka sports policy how arjar ha khandai ha ka cabinet meeting ho tura lagi phai youth policy ru kila pas menakani te ho nimna ban penkelai ko prathai smit smit handrai ngai i ba kani ka seng ka jingelam ya ka jela gila penki ban penkeladuri ka jela Meghalaya haka ka nakabta ka jimboto ji ki samlaju tenga sobat ong ru baka ladang apa shaka shaki we policy trikam ru kalong ka ba sha u chief minister buram ulong bakloi ban ya kendu ya ke kenhon ba per teng ngasi perkhat hakadu yo stamina ban kendu katning teliki kenhon tribot soba mo kisan balang gini kita ki biar demand bot ki ke tengai ba kari sarkar ka kuma ben kendu ngakamna waktu ka kendung kenam hang tempo marten rumah kadai tang communication da gap te matang hapo lais ni masih bahai ton tu la ya perbet ki jinga kran ki ke kamu kalong ka sarkar ka basngap ya ka suruh pai ba ka sarkar ka sngap ya ka suruh pai ba ki syong ha ki mo ki kep ngayu ba kadang-kadang ke sarkar kepala wara ru ka resolution halo ka ILP ho kepala banong namar kadi ka ktalang ya ka home ministry kadi ka home ministry ko dibele nrai hato ka sarkar kala pas ne mi kata ka ya ka resolution kila da pas ka coalition lang ko wat ki opposition du ki ka shalang ya ta te ngasobot ong kendu kerpa lumba kani ka jinga kendu ai kublai pi ki no pathai ko bor bapin panai lam ka khubor baka jingkerpa nakaleng jonga kalong ya baro tongin ailat ya ganik seng bakan yo lakum no anum dunai ke posnem beryo penyai ke policy ke bobon ke ban mentoy yo jengri haka lan jongka haka kambai di bu usang manuban mudur ba mentak kesini bonsen ngilap tang kiseng balang ke ba mo lani ko mangi ki gira pa ba ki be point to boundary bende ya korbar ya to kadai haka ni ke jingalam jong ni keseng haka jingalam jong ni chief minister menta ba chief minister Assam bat Meghalaya kilai menjur ban don ka ministerial team ka ban lek jungo ban pek ban pha ban penbiang ka report halor put sam empat ya songi kata manchua wal ada les ingi don gijuk sarkar po selong ba po Meghalaya po Assam ndrai mentah pasti wal ada kam dai ka jo ka seng na po Assam bat hang ni kapau ba ka jingya dai ka jingya kran ka wandur te hatongin ailat ya kata na ngin pentut ya kata ngata soba kumba kalau mentalai dai ban chupan klan be ya ka seng bahkan yo ban pria ya ki kam ki jam ban wara ka jumto yo pai ba te nakaliang jonga kedu ya ki lok ki jorn ai.
This is a beginning, and I am very, very positive and very sure that given the current political situation that is prevailing in the state, given the current political situation that is there, especially in the opposition party, we are expecting that more and more like-minded people, more and more people who really want to do positive change for the state will see that it is inevitable and it will be most productive if they come and join the NPP and they are working with us together in order to achieve their goals and their objectives as well as contribute towards the development of the state. So we do expect, and I do urge all like-minded leaders from different political parties, especially the opposition, that we need to work together. This government has dared to take steps which a lot of governments did not. This government has taken bold measures and steps and decisions which others got scared or did not have the guts to do at that point in time. And we're not saying that these are easy decisions or easy steps or easy stands. These are very tough. But we are very clear in our mind what we want to achieve and what we want to, how we want to move forward. Therefore, all these aspects require that we need the support of the people, we need the support of leaders to come and work with us so that we're able to take all these steps that we have started to the logical conclusion. And that is why, as I said, a lot of positive news and message coming for the people, for the stands we've taken, for the decisions we've made. As I said, not always the best and the easiest decisions to make. Some decisions are very tough. It's easier to look away. But then as a government, you will look back and see that we have not shied away. We have also been a government that has been very sensitive to the people. We have always ensured that wherever we talk to our people, we carry our people along with us. We accommodate them. We do consultation. We do dialogue. We discuss with people. We always believe that it's better to carry our people together.